Hey, what's up guys? This is Limesh Parekh and you are watching Chalk Talk on CRM. Today's topic is fortune is in follow-up and how do you manage that using NJ CRM. So almost every salesperson or sales manager is concerned whether his leads inquiries are being followed up correctly or not. And yes, this is 100% true. Fortune is in follow-up most of the time, and the biggest problem of every sales manager is that his team might miss on follow-ups, and because they missed on follow-up, they missed the inquiries, they missed the sales figures. So we identified a very unique way of handling this. First I'll tell you what happens in most of other CRMs and how NJ CRM is different. So basic idea is not about the technology but about how practically business is conducted. In most of the CRM, you find that when you have some lead, you will create meetings, and then you will create scheduled calls and scheduled tasks. And this is so much of work that a salesperson does not do that. And that's a serious concern. So salespeople does not use CRM effectively. So we try to think little bit innovatively on this. So there are two types of or flow of sales management in CRM has been broken down into two segments. First is inquiries or leads, and second, once these leads or inquiries are qualified, we call them deals or opportunities. So these are two things. We have one more chalk talk called difference between leads and opportunities and how to analyze that. What does this tell you? So please watch that also. So let's say we received an inquiry from our website, and then you gave a call, and then that fellow told, okay, give me demonstration on next Friday. So how do you record that in your CRM? So that we are going to talk here. So in our CRM, what we have is in both these modules, we have these two fields, next follow-up date and next follow-up type. So next follow-up date, you always put what is the next follow-up date. So in this case, suppose if that fellow told me to follow up or show me a demo on Friday, and Friday happens to be 3rd June. So I will just put here date 3rd June. Once I put date as 3rd June, it will come as a notification to me on my mobile also, and it will also show me on today's tasks in mobile as well as browser application, and it will also notify me if I am on a PC on that day, and it will also notify me on a previous day. So that makes sure that I don't miss any next follow-up. Now we also allow you to identify what is the type of next follow-up. So whether you are supposed to call that fellow or just a meeting or send an email. So all these things you can identify, and this is just 2 clicks on your lead module or on your deal module. So that saves you a lot of time. This will make sure that your users use CRM actually. Now let me tell you how this entire process can be looked upon by a sales manager. So now if you are a sales manager and you have 5 salespeople working for you, so how do you make sure that these people are doing their follow-ups correctly? Create a dashboard which shows you all the leads or all the opportunities where next follow-up date is passed away, means today or before today. So if you look at that, and if any item is visible there, that means next follow-up date has been missed. So this is a tremendous help for any sales manager. Believe me, I can tell you that because we have been using this system for last 1.5 years, the same concept, and it has been very successful for NJ. So it will be obviously useful for you also. Now when we come to opportunities, there are 2 dates, because when you have a lead, you don't know when this deal will close. But when you talk about opportunity, you know, or you at least estimate that this deal will close in another 30 days or 90 days or 60 days. So based on that, you define one more date in deals called expected closing date. For example, expected closing date of some inquiry might be in 30 September, but you can have next follow-up date as this Friday or next Monday. So these 2 dates will help you to track your opportunities and leads. So make sure you use this, and it is very easy to manage that. So I'm not going to show you the screenshots, but you can obviously visit our support site, or this is very easy to do. You can do it on your own also. You can create a dashboard which will just keep on showing you these 2 things, whether the next follow-up is happening properly or not. 70% or more of the problem is solved from here. Now you might get a question as a sales manager, what if your sales executives are just keeping on changing the next follow-up date and actually not doing the sales follow-up? Good question. we have solution for that also. With our NJ Latitude mobile app, all your calls, SMS and emails are getting logged automatically to the CRM. So that gives you information whether your salesperson had called that person, or he had met that person, or he's just changing the dates. And by the way, you can also get how many times this next follow-up date was changed from the change log of that particular record. When I say record, it means lead or opportunity, inquiry or deal. So I hope this is helpful to you. In case you need some more information on this, you can always call us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Happy selling.